All right, so we're going to have fun today. Okay, we've got a smelly garbage can, or trash can, as some of you say. So we're going to get the odor-fighting capabilities of baking soda. So we're going to get 2 cups of that. Maybe because our garbage can stinks because we've got shrimp in there because we just had a shrimp on the barbie. By the way, just so you know, we don't call them shrimp in Australia. We call them prawns. So that whole thing about Australia, that's now, okay, let me just get back to this. So, half a cup of Epsom salt. So, 2 cups of baking soda, half a cup of Epsom salts. Yeah, so we don't even call them shrimp. So, this whole thing about Aussies put a shrimp on the barbie, but we don't, because we call them prawns, not shrimp at all. So, there's your little Aussie fact of the day. All right, so where were we? Okay, so we're going to now put a 1/4 of a cup of water in these. Now, we're going to have fun. We're going to make these little garbage tablets. So if your trash can stinks because of your shrimp or your prawns, whatever you're doing, then you can throw these into it. Now you add some essential oils, about 20 drops of essential oils, whatever you like. I think lemon smells fantastic, which is what I'm using here. Nice, clean, fresh smell. And then you mix it all together. And then you're going to put it in your silicone trays, or if you're going to be like me, you just put them in little ice cube trays, because after all, they're just going in the toilet, the trash can, and I hope they're not going in the toilet, they're going in the trash can. So you use these if you've got a smelly trash can. And they're absolutely fantastic. So you want to get it to that consistency where it's, as I said, it's want to be like damp sand. Don't want it too wet. You just see that, it just starts to clump. So then you get your little ice cube tray, and you fill her up. So we've got it all mixed together. So remember, 2 cups of baking, it's in your resources by the way, 2 cups of baking soda, half a cup of Epsom salt, and 1/4 of a cup of water, and some essential oils, about 20 drops or so. No hard and fast rules with that. So you fill up your ice cube trays, and then you just press them down a little bit. And there you go, so you just press them down, you can fill them up again, or just depending on how big you want them, you might want to have them small or large, whatever you like, it's up to you, completely up to you of course. And away you go. Little silicone moulds would be kind of cute because you'd have little starfish things and stuff like that. So, but this is just fun to do. Well, I think it is anyway. And so there you go, we just got to press all that down. So you see, if you've got a smelly trash can, then what you do, you put it in there, and this will help get rid of all of that smell. All right, so through the magic of cameras, I've got 2 filled up and pressed down. Now we're going to put them into either some sunlight by a window or, just a dry area. Leave them for a few hours, might have to leave them for a day, depending on your climate. And they should just slip out like that. Look at them. Mine aren't going to win any beauty contests, but that's all right. They're going in the garbage. So then you want to put them in a little airtight container. And look at that. What a fun little thing to do. And they're super useful. I use these all the time. And look, there they are, my little boys. Easy. Now, I hear what you're saying. You say, well, Mark, I'm not really feeling it. Or I've got visitors over, I don't have time to do my garbage can tablets, but my garbage still stinks because it's still full of shrimp. And so what do? Just simply put your baking soda in there. Simple as that. So that's all you need to do. By the way, if you've got clothes that are smelly in your laundry basket, like if you're like me, my son will put a wet towel on the floor and I find it, later that day and it's all smelly, then you can do the same thing. If you're not ready to do a wash, you can just put the baking soda onto your clothes as well. So yeah, if it's the bag or if it's the actual trash can itself, just put it in there. Now, what you could also do if you need to wash it out, of course you could use some dish soap, you could use Castile soap, whatever you like, but the real odor-fighting effect is our old friend vinegar. Spray it with vinegar, wipe it all around with that, and it will work wonders on a smelly trash can, that is. So there you go, vinegar, that's the secret to cleaning it out. All right.